one. Get a new one. What did I do with my... Okay, today I'm using the Rocket Volume Express, even though when I go to the grocery store, I am also going to get that new mascara I've been using, y'all, from L'Oreal. I love it. I absolutely love it. This is my other one that I'm loving. And they're both cheaper, easier to get than my Chanel Inimitable, and they work just about as good. Matter of fact, the other one works absolutely as good. So I finally found myself a mascara I like. Now watch them get rid of it. It's L'Oreal, and I forgot the name of it, but I used it in the other video. And I named it. So I've shown it to y'all several times. I'll tell you again the next time I do a Get Ready With Me. Do y'all like Get Ready With Me, or are you getting bored with them? Have you seen enough of them, or do you use them to get ready together with me? I love for y'all to literally get a cup of coffee or a cup of tea or a cup of water, hot water, warm water, cold water, whatever you drink in the morning, and sit down and actually get ready with me. Y'all, I need to dust off my face because I did have some fallout, and that often happens. Using a dual fiber brush is good to use because at the base it's heavier, and at the end the brushes are looser, and so it's just good to flick. Like, see, I'm not rubbing, I'm flicking off any excess color. What do you hear, Velvet? Because I definitely saw some fallout from those colors, especially when you use dark colors and when you use glitters. They always have fallout on either side of your nose usually, and right under your eyes that sits on your cheek. And just even though that was nothing, brush it off and put it back in there. And so now I'm tipping out the ends of my lashes. And if this goes off before I finish, I'm not watching, then y'all know I love you. Those of you who are watching for a first time, I hope that you will subscribe. Those of you who've been watching for a long time, I hope you'll tell your friends and get me some more followers. Because I tell you what, if you don't have subscribers, YouTube does not treat you... Well, no, I won't say that. YouTube wants you to build your following. So, I just want to I want to keep my channel, you know. So I need to keep building my following. And I started out doing that with the contest, thinking that would build my following. But then it just got to be where I went overboard with them, because and people ask me all the time, why do you do so many contests? Why do you spend so much money on those Bibles and makeup palette? That makeup palette alone is going to be $50. The Bibles are $79 to $80. So I mean, just right there, think of the money. Why? Why am I doing it? I don't know. I just love it. I don't know. I love giving away presents. Is that weird? I remember once when I did that with my boss the first time, because she's a girly girl boss, and I think her daughter was like, Mom, why does she give you so much stuff, like nice stuff? And she says, oh, honey, I think she just likes to give. And that is true. I do. I mean, I don't think I'm any great person or anything like that. I just think I enjoy it. Is that a spiritual gift level? Usually, there is a spirit of generosity from the Holy Spirit. And I don't know. I would have never thought that, but maybe I do. Maybe generosity. Because I'd rather give God the glory than me the glory anyway. So let's just say that is... Well, we're not going to just say that. I don't know if I got that spiritual gift or not. What in the world? Y'all, did y'all hear that? Velvet, it's okay, honey. Velvet would just ran and about hit me. She's scared so bad. I think that was thunder. Did y'all hear that? I was just fixing to go to the grocery store and get me some more mascara and some light bulbs. And I was going to go in my convertible. I guess not now, huh? So now I'm going to tip out the lower lashes. This is really this is a little gloopy. The good news is it makes it easier to get good coverage once it starts getting a little older, because it's a little gloopy when you first take it out. So it just builds really nicely. But then sometimes it does this where it gets a little goopy. And you really got to work with the wand to get some of it back off, because it's too much. It's too thick. Y'all, are y'all hearing that? We're having a thunderstorm. I love them. Absolutely love them. Velvet hates them. Guarantee you she is not happy right now. Okay, I've got a goop that I'm going to have to use something else to get it off. It's too much. And I've got this little like dry patch right there, y'all. Do y'all ever have that where you have, are y'all hearing this? This is like a real thunderstorm. Can y'all hear that? I wonder if y'all can hear what I'm hearing. Okay, I'm trying to even these two eyes out now because I got too much on the other side.